Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Jahan-e-Man. You all must be eagerly waiting for the show, and the show is Mini Teacher. So before meeting the mini teacher, let me just announce a few programs. And these programs are important for all of us. And these programs are especially designed for the young boys and girls so that they can enhance their skills. Let me share a few programs that is going to be organized by Jahan-e-Man in association with EduFam International and ACE International Singapore. So ladies and gentlemen, this is program called FEEL. FEEL program is that fun and enjoy, earn and learn. A program that is going to empower you to make you eligible of learning and having fun at the same time. In this program, we are going to teach you the skills of different types of platform available online. So this is called FEEL, fun and enjoy, earn and learn. The details of the program is given here. You all can go through the details and then you can decide for yourself whether it is suitable or not. Our next program is FELM. FELM is Future Educational Leadership and Management. This is exclusively for the teachers and for the educational leaders, those who want to lead in the field of education and want to enhance themselves about the latest happening in the field of education, and those who want to make education as their career in their lives, and those who want to impact the society and bring some changes in the society. So the FELM is an exclusive course and our mentors are from different countries because we want to give the international exposure to the participants. The certification is done by ACE International Singapore. Then we have a special program on 5th June, that is the World Environment Day, as we all know. On 5th June, we are going to have a talk on biodiversity, a global outlook by Commander Vijay Kumar ji. And Commander Vijay Kumar ji is IIT Delhi pass out and he has served in Indian Navy for 17 years. And on the same occasion, we are going to have a competition. We are going to have a quiz, online quiz, login and win. Then and there you are going to get the awards for each question. So this is login and win on the occasion of World Environment Day, and it is brought to you by DPMI Darbhanga, an institution that ensures the students get the education to make them successful in their lives. Then we have a competition of fancy dress competition, dress up like a tree. And this is just to pay a tribute to our environment on the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June. In this competition, anybody can participate. There is no age limit. If you want to participate, even moms, dads, children, brothers, sisters, uncle, aunts, whosoever wants to participate in this competition, they can participate. They have to just register themselves and then participate in this on 5th June on Jahan-e-Man at 6 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, our signature program is the Purple Book. As you all know, the Purple Book is the most favorite program of the children. And for this program, the children, they wait eagerly. The Purple Book, we are going to revise and we are going to revive it. And tomorrow is going to be the day when we are going to discuss the new outlook of the Purple Book quiz show. You all are requested to be there to watch the Purple Book's new outlook and the new plans about the Purple Book quiz show. So ladies and gentlemen, these are some of the important announcements. And the most important announcement is about the Qiraat competition. There are children, 49 children have started in participating in this competition and they have qualified all the rounds. Last 10 surahs round, 10 Quranic duas round, Asmaul Husna round and Surah Yasin round. And now they are ready to rock. Now top 10 are going to present all the rounds and they are going to, there we are going to finalize that who is the best Qari or Qariya. It's going to happen on 4th June. So please block this date, 4th June, don't forget it. 4th June, 4 p.m. You please witness this program. It's going to be the most exciting program. At the same time, we all have to motivate our young boys and girls how to recite the Holy Quran correctly. So this is the page, this is the presentation of Jahan-e-Man. As you all know, Jahan-e-Man is at your doorstep every day at 6 p.m. with different programs. We are here and we are guiding the people. We are making the lives of the people comfortable and we are motivating them. We are always here to motivate each one of you. And Jahaneman works under SAET, Shokatara Educational Trust. Shokatara Educational Trust is a trust that empowers the people and help them in all their endeavors. So these are the announcements. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you all must be waiting eagerly for today's mini teacher. So let me introduce you the mini teacher. Today's mini teacher is very, very special. And you all will be surprised to know that the mini teacher is going to be on the show for the first time. But you all will be surprised by the confidence of our mini teacher, the way she is going to interact, the way she is going to teach me. And it is not an easy task to teach a teacher, you know, because the students, they always feel the teacher is more knowledgeable, the teacher is more empowered. But my mini teacher is the confident one who is going to teach me. Let me see that she is going to teach. Are you eagerly waiting to see? Yes. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome Saida Mansoori from class 3, our India International School, Kandla. Hello, Saida. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I am fine.
So, Saida.
And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Saida, are you happy to be on the show of mini teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you feel today?
I am excited.
You are excited? Yes, one should be. And more than you, I am excited to learn from you. You know, throughout my career, I have taught the children, but it's always exciting to learn from the children. So tell me, Saida, what are you going to teach me?
What you teach? I will teach you.
Okay, whatever I teach, you will teach me that. I always teach about happiness.
About happiness.
Wow, so you are going to teach me about happiness. That's really lovely. So my dear teacher, today you are my teacher. Shall we start our lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Saida Afreen Mansoori, daughter of Sajid Ahmed. I study in 3rd standard in our India International School. I am a happiness coach.
Happiness coach. Yes, now everybody wants to be happy. I know the happiness is something that is missing from the lives of the people. And today my happiness coach, Saida Mansoori, is going to make everybody happy. So my dear viewers, are you excited for this? Yes, of course, you are excited. Yes, Saida, please go ahead and teach me.
Today I am going to teach you how to be happy in life. Sure. Today we have everything that life can offer but neither do. We have joy and love, not peace. People smiling may not be happy. Happy life is directly linked with positivity. Ma'am, I would like to teach you the 5 habits for to be happiness. Number 1, appreciate the smallest thing. Number 2, use positivity affirmation. Number 3, learn forgive yourself. Number 3, make a kind gesture. Number 5, be conscious of the virtues. So there are the 5 habits our daily in life happiness.
Wow, 5 habits are going to bring happiness in our lives. And you know, I love that we have to be very conscious about the virtues. We have to lead a virtuous life. You know, whenever we do any mistake, any sin, we commit any sin, that is always pinching us, that is pricking in our hearts. And we cannot be at peace when we are doing something wrong with someone. That's really a great lesson you have taught me, Saida, that we have to be very cautious about doing the good deeds. Thank you very much. Saida, what is your ambition in life? आप क्या बनना चाहते हो बड़े होके?
I am a doctor and DM.
You want to be a doctor and DM also?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's really great. I wish you all the best for your future. Now, Saida, tell me something more about happiness, because I want to be happy and make others happy as well.
Now I would like to teach you principle for a happy life. Number 1, you think, not people. Number 2, love people, not think. Number 3, surround yourself with happy people. Number 4, value yourself and your relation.
Wow, I like your gesture of saying that love the people. You know, the way you have said with a heart, you said love the people, that I really liked it. And use the things, not the people. That's very common nowadays. The people they use and throw the people, and they value the things more than the people. Really, so wonderful, so wonderful. And one thing you are missing, I think.
Ma'am, there is a beautiful thought of happiness. Happiness is not ready-made. It comes from our action.
Oh, so happiness is not ready-made. I wanted to buy it from the market and get it.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not ready-made. We have to work upon it. We have to make efforts to be happy in life.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you know the secret of the happiness?
No.
Smiling is a secret of a happiness. So keep smiling.
Wow, that is such a simple secret. I didn't observe. Smiling. So, teacher, I'm smiling, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, so thank you very much for teaching me such wonderful lessons of life. How to be happy, how to keep smiling. So tell me, Saida, आपके घर में सब लोग ऐसे स्माइल करते रहते हैं जैसे आप कर रही हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
मम्मी, डैडी, भैया?
मेरे डैडी ज्यादा.
मेरे
डैडी ज्यादा.
अच्छा, डैडी ज्यादा स्माइल करते हैं और मम्मा कम करती हैं, क्यों?
डैडी में कम गुस्सा है, मम्मा में ज्यादा.
मम्मा में गुस्सा ज्यादा क्यों है बताओ? क्योंकि उनके ऊपर काम का बोझ बहुत है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
आप तंग करते हो उन्हें, कभी ये चाहिए, कभी वो चाहिए, कभी ये पका दो, कभी वो पका दो, कभी ये नहीं खाना, कभी वो नहीं खाना, तो मम्मा गुस्सा हो जाती हैं, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अब ये बताएं कि आपको कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पसंद है?
मैथ.
मैथ्स, गुड. एंड अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अगर मैं आपके घर आऊंगी कांदला में, तो आप मुझे क्या खिलाएंगी?
सीख कबाब. My favorite dish.
Oh, so you will offer me your favorite dish?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
yummy, so yummy. I love seekh kebab. And when you come to my house, what would you like to eat?
Biryani. Chicken fry.
Thank God you said biryani. I can cook biryani, because if you would have asked for seekh kebab, it was impossible for me to make seekh kebab. I don't know. I don't know how to cook seekh kebab.
Seekh kebab is very hard dish.
It's very hard?
Yes, ma'am.
For me, nothing is hard. For me, nothing is hard. Nothing is impossible. If you bet me, if you challenge me, I'll make seekh kebab for you. एक बात पता है सईदा, मैंने जिंदगी में क्या देखा है? मैंने जिंदगी में ये देखा है कि दुनिया का हर काम आसान है सिवाय पढ़ाई के.
नो मैम, पढ़ाई आसान है.
इसका मतलब ये कि आपको और सब काम तो और भी आसान लगेगा, बहुत आसान लगेगा. क्योंकि आप अगर रोटी बनाना चाहो 2 मिनट में बना सकते हो, आप बर्तन धुलना चाहो 2 मिनट में धुल सकते हो, कपड़े सिलना चाहो आप फौरन सीख सकते हो. लेकिन पढ़ाई के लिए वी हैव टू लर्न ग्रेजुअली. एकदम से अचानक कोई चीज नहीं सीख सकते हो आप, है ना? पढ़ाई में फ्रॉम KG to 1 to 2 to 3, ऐसे आपको 12, फिर उसके बाद ग्रेजुएशन, फिर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, तो इसलिए उसमें वक्त ज्यादा लगता है. बाकी और सारा काम बड़े आसानी से कर सकते हैं, चाहे आप कोई भी काम ले लो, घर का काम ले लो, बाहर का काम ले लो, सब बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं। तो अभी जो आप जिस स्टेज में हो ना, जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना, तो आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टेज में हो आप। दैट इज द हैप्पीएस्ट टाइम ऑफ योर लाइफ।
यस मैम।
या तो अभी आपके साथ यहाँ पे आपके स्कूल के कुछ दोस्त भी आए हुए हैं और वो आपको सुन रहे हैं, और बहुत सारे दोस्त जो है आपके हमारे चैनल पे सुन रहे हैं आपको। तो ये बताएं, आपको अपने दोस्तों को कोई मैसेज देना है?
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं कोविड-19 के बारे में बताऊंगी।
वंडरफुल, यस, दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर। प्लीज।
I will tell you about COVID-19.
Yes.
Number 1 is connect friends and family using technology. Number 2, disconnect from fake news. Number 3, exercise and sleep well. Number 4, plan routine and be positive. Get first dose of vaccine SF to avoid coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. And you all have heard your mini teacher advising you about corona. So you all have to follow the instructions of your mini teacher today, and what message she has given, that we all have to be happy in life, and we all have to be following the teachings of our mini teacher, Saida Mansoori. So please, a big round of applause for Saida Mansoori, who has taught us the greatest lesson of life today. And thank you, everyone. Thank you, my dear viewers. She was Saida Mansoori. She was the mini teacher today. And if you have any child who is as confident as Saida Mansoori, kindly write to us. We are going to give them the platform. We are going to give them the opportunity to the children to showcase their talent. Jahaneman always believes in the children's empowerment. And this is the way we empower the children. This is the way we give the voice to the children. If you have a child who is still in the school, who is learning in the school, but he has wonderful ideas to share with the world, kindly write to us. We are going to give them the platform on Jahaneman so that they can come here, they can speak, they can gain confidence, and they can give their message to the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, all of you.
Take care. And Saida, thank you very much for being here. Jahaneman is grateful to you, and you are going to get a certificate for this participation from Jahaneman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Everybody take care and bye-bye.
Bye.